Student, today we shall continue our chapter pairs of linear equation in two variables. In earlier class we discussed elimination method. Now in this class we are going to discuss methods of cross multiplication. So let's start our class. Methods in cross multiplication. Here some word is mentioned, cross and multiplication. In this we have to multiply or work in cross multiplication form. Suppose we have two equations, a1x b1y c1 equals to 0 and a2x b2y c2 equals to 0. Here one condition is must every equation has unique solution. And we earlier see that the condition of unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2 for a has a unique solution. Unique solution means the equation provides some solutions. Okay, now see how we write this one. Now we have to demonstrate some work. Suppose first we have to calculate if value of x, then how we write the equations. We write the equation. Suppose we have to calculate the value of x, just of it, and write these all four systems. We write in this way: b1, b2, c1, c2. Clear? Now b1 is multiplied with c2 and b2 is multiplied with c1. Clear? Give the equals to sign and y. Now in this we have to calculate the value of y. To take this except y, take all four these systems. You have write what? c1 by c2, a1 by a2. Same way c1 multiplied by a2 and c2 multiplied by a1. And this is 1. 1 means just like constant. What we have to do, just off it and take all these four systems: a1, a2, b1, b2. Cross multiply, a1 multiplied b2 and a2 multiplied b1. Clear? Now how we write these equations? X equals to b1 c2, b1 c2, these both in multiplication form, b1 c2 minus b2 c1, b2 c1. Clear? Now y will be c1 a2, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equals to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Clear? Now therefore value of x will be, and what is the formula of this cross multiplication when we calculate the value of x? How? Just see, therefore x will be, these values is equated with this one, so this comes here. It becomes b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the formula of x. If you calculate the value of x using this formula. Now same as value of y will be what? This comes here, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the formula of y. These are the two formulas. You have to learn this one while using cross multiplication method. I hope this one is clear to you. Well, solve the system of equation equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 17 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 6 by method of cross multiplication. Now see what question is said. We have two equations is given. We have to solve or find the solution of these equation by using cross multiplication method. First you write down, we have our equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 17. This is our equation first. 3x minus 2y is equals to 6. This is our equation 2. First what we do, we have to reduce in this form. Which form? a1x b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals to 0. We have to reduce in this form. How? Just 17 comes here and it becomes minus 17 and it becomes 0. This 6 comes here, it becomes minus 6 and this becomes 0. Clear? Now upright this one. In first equation, first you have to write this one in this way. a1 is our 2. This is your first equation is coefficient of x is your a1, coefficient of y is b1 and this constant is c1. a1 is your 2, b1 is your 3 and c1 is your minus 17. Clear? Same as second equation, a2 variable of x is 3, b2 this is minus 2, c2 is minus 6. I hope up to this is clear. Now use the formula. What is formula? Formula of x is, we know that b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This we know that the formula of x. Now substitute all the values. Our b1 is 3 into c2 is minus 6 right here, b2 is minus 2 and c1 is minus 17 by a1 b2. a1 is 2 and b2 is minus 2 minus a2 is our 3 and b1 is 3. Clear? Now next what we do, just solve it. This becomes minus 18, this becomes 34 minus 34 by this becomes minus 4 and this becomes minus 9. Clear? Now this becomes what? Minus 52 and this becomes minus 30. Minus minus cancel out. Therefore value of x will be 4. Clear? In same process we have to calculate the value of y. How? You know that formula of y is c1a2 minus c1a2 minus c2a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Just you have to substitute the values of these all values in this formula and calculate the value of y. I hope this one is clear to you. This is the most easiest method to solve any equations or pair of linear equations. Just what we do, we have to learn that formula of x and formula of y.